Again, here are our students, and now they will discuss here about modern era versus ancient era. We know about there are huge differences. So, hello students, listen here. You have to discuss here. You know about there are so many advantages and disadvantages also, and you have to put here. You have to explain here what are advantages and what are the disadvantages. Understood? Means ancient life, okay, ancient life and modern life. So there is no need to give your introduction because already you have participated in previous video session, and now you have to discuss here. So, but tell me first, on which side would you like to talk? Your
I would like to talk about modern life.
modern life. So obviously, your ancient life. You have to talk about the ancient life. We want comparison. What are the difference between ancient life and modern life? Means so. Yes, start now. And I suggest to you that group discussion is very important. So you have to daily you have to do group discussion. Then you can improve your English and you can talk fluently. Okay, start now.
In ancient era, people weren't using modern technologies. They were doing so many hard work. They don't know smart work. In ancient time, people were living in healthy life and fit body.
Okay, because you're talking about in ancient time, people were doing hard work like farming work. Okay, wood cutting work. So that's why they are fit and fine. Automatically, they were getting exercise. But now also means, don't you think that in modern era, people now also some people are doing hard work, farming work, fishing work, wood cutting work. They are also getting now good exercise. Some people are living healthy life. Yes. Okay.
In modern time, uh, in modern time, um, in modern time, people making food. In modern time, people making food on induction, gas, mixer, etc. Uh, that's why that's why they save our time.
They cook fast.
They cook fastly and easily.
Fastly, not fast.
They cook fast and easily.
Hmm. Compare, no, but previous
But
time.
but previous time people they don't know technology. Um,
They didn't know technology.
they
Now what?
didn't they didn't know technology. Uh, they,
They were using.
they were using grindstone, chula. That's why um, that's why that's why
They
they
were taking time
that's why they were taking time
to cook food.
to cook food.
Full point. I own. Okay, actually told that. She's talking about if you talk about the time. So now in modern era there are so many machines available, so we can save our time, we can save our efforts, so remaining time we can utilize in our other works. Okay, but ancient time, yes, people were cooking on chulla and some uh, traditional thing, so it was food was tasty and healthy and natural. Okay, but they were getting time to cook food. Yes.
Previous life was getting Ayurvedic medicine. That's why people were living longer life. But now getting in hospital, getting medicine, so people are not living longer life.
Okay. Means he is talking about there are some side effects. Okay, some people are not connect with this allopathy. Got it. So they were. He is talking about that's why it is somehow bad impact happen on their body. Okay, but we can't refuse that the modern technology can't save to people. Understood? Because of in ancient time, yes, I agree. Ancient time and now also, who are taking treatment from Ayurveda, of Ayurveda and some herbal product. So they are also getting good result and they live longer life, they live healthy life, they live natural life. Okay, but in ancient time the technology was not launched. That's why they were taking that Ayurvedic medicine, and it is good. And now also some people are taking. But in modern era, that allopathy, the tablets are impactive on our body, so it is harmful. Okay, some way. But some technologies are there. So through this technology, are getting good treatment also in modern era. You're talking about hospital, allopathy, and that.
In ancient era, technology was not launched. That's why pollution was not. Uh, that's why uh, people were get fresh and healthy air. But in modern era, technology was started. That's why pollution was. Uh, that's why pollution so many pollution uh, and people get pollution air
Polluted air.
polluted air.
Okay, okay. Now, because of technology, so many machines launch, also vehicles, also smoke, factory smoke. So that's why pollution increase. Okay, and it is very harmful for the human body.
In modern era we can see women are very independent. They can do their work very firmly and strongly. She doesn't take permission from her husband or the other family member. She don't need it. So she can do her work very strongly. She can be a businesswoman, or she can do any type of work. She can do their further her further education. So I think modern era gave women very confidence, which is she can do both things, like she can do household works as well as she can complete her dream. She can do her business, or she can be a doctor or engineer. So in the as per compared to modern ancient era women was very unconfident. So she was not able to doing any work which is out of the home. She was living only for the household works. She was doing only household works. uh, her husband or other family members was also not permit to her that you can go out of the home, or you can complete your dream. So modern era says the say to woman that you can do your work, and you can complete your parents as per your dream.
Okay, okay. Means in modern era, women are self-dependent. They can earn money. They can handle their housework as well as their official work. Okay, outside work. So that's why they can take their own decision. But in ancient time, they were not getting freedom. They weren't taking their own decision. But now they got freedom. Yes.
In ancient time people were eating natural and homemade foods, vegetable and etc. In ancient time small children were playing coco, lagori and etc.
Repeat. I was confused. Repeat.
In ancient time people were eating homemade and natural food, vegetables. In ancient times, small children were playing Coco, Lagori, and etc.
Okay, but now children are addicted towards the mobile game, and that's why they are lost their physical health, and as well as their mental health. Yeah.
In modern time people communicate in modern time people communication with calls, video calls, voice calls. That's why world came close, um, came close, and they sharing our emotions. Um, but ancient time, technology was not launched. Um, um, send- this, that's why they send messages. That's why they send messages with letter, uh, and letter was reached to 3 days.
Reaching late. Okay. So now technology advanced, so we can quickly message to anyone, and that's why what happened. We can do our work very easily and quickly. But in the past, there was not technology, so there was not fast communication. So the work was pending. Yes.
Previous life was getting fresh food. That's why people were living healthy life. But now in chemical added in food, people were not living. People are not living healthy life.
That repeated. New point. New point. Repeated. Hold that. New point.
Previous life was drive Bullock's car. That's why people were rich slowly. But now different vehicle. But now different vehicles so reach fastly
Fast.
fast.
It's bad point, no? Your ancient time, ancient era. It's bad point you told, no? Your ancient era. Still, you're talking about the air was not polluted when they were driving Bullock's car, so it was not polluted. The air was not polluted, but now so many smoke mix in the air, so we get polluted air.
Uh,
Here.
In the modern era, so many technologies are invented, so many machines are invented. Um, it saves people's money as well as time. Uh, in a, as per compared to ancient era, there was no more technologies, or we can say there was no technology. So people need help from the other people, like if um, uh, if he want to
He
if
wants to.
if he wants to press the if he wants to press the shirt or clothes, so he need to he needs to hot coal, so it will help to press that shirt. But nowadays new technology invented, so that's why we can use iron to press that clothes. Iron saves our money. New technologies are very good for all the people, so it save it save time of people. So I think modern era is very good for every people. In modern era, new medicines are also invented, or new vaccines are invented. Vaccines are invented in corona pandemic. Because of modern era, new vaccines were invented. I think modern era is good for everyone. It helps to live life easily and updated.
in ancient era, family or joint family, uh, family celebrate all festival. We get happiness. Uh,
We were getting.
we were getting happiness. Uh,
But now
but now modern era, joint family was joint family is not see, uh, and people are get not happiness
people are not
uh,
living
living joint
in joint family.
in joint family.
Okay, means if you live in joint family, if you are surviving in joint family, so you get coordination, you get help from your family members. Also, so you can get help in study. Okay, also financial support. Our grandparents are there, so they can teach us good manners. Okay, so but nowadays what joint family is rare. We can see rare some families. Okay, because nowadays modern people are prefer to live in nuclear family. They feel it's get freedom in nuclear family. They get freedom. So the human perspective, so we can't talk about that joint family, separate family. Okay.
Previous life was working a farmer, and people were eating healthy grain, but now chemical in added to grain.
Yeah. You did.
In ancient time, people were searching new technologies and new invention. In ancient time, people sort out images of war.
Historical culture.
In ancient time, people were searching historical
Culture.
historical culture,
Like Harappa culture.
like Harappa
Culture.
culture and Mesopotamia.
Yes. We were getting that time we have got so many historical culture. That's why we can read it now. History book. Yes, Kanji.
The ancient era base of the modern era. In ancient era, so many technology was found. Uh, uh, Technology was found. Many factories many factory ideas make in ancient time.
Made in ancient time.
Made in ancient time.
Also, ancient construction was strong. Ancient construction was strong. The construction is now we can see. Okay, some bridge, forts, temples, monuments. Yeah.
uh, Previous life was not getting girls education, but now they will education,
They are well educated.
they are well educated.
In modern era, uh, we get good education. That's why that's why um, that's why we that's why we get a good job, um, good job, and
Also, we get good idea about business.
also
Also, we can search or yes, we can secure our future. We can find out the new ideas about open our new business.
Because of further education we innovate our ideas, so we can do any type of work, we can do our business, so it can help to secure our future or earning a good salary. um, if we secured our future or we can get good job, so we can get respect from the society. And in nowadays society's respect is very
Important.
important to living, because people do not think that how many rupees he have, or how many rupees he has, or how many peoples he knows. But the people think that how many how many respect he has earned. So that's why I think society respect is more important,
Essential.
is essential than any other thing. So I think if you earn respect from society, so you can earn anything in the world or society.
In ancient time, people were celebrated so many festival. Uh, they were celebrating new festival like Ganpati, Diwali, and many more.
Okay, in ancient era, I would like to tell here, in ancient era, people were celebrating eco-friendly, but now so many firecrackers they are burning. Okay, and the dhol tasha you know about. Okay, it's one type of enjoyment, but somehow it create the pollution. Okay, but if you talk about ancient time, they were celebrating eco-friendly and in cool and silent atmosphere. So yes, okay, so you have discussed here your debate, and that's why I really thankful to you that you have participated here in group discussion. But you have to read more. Understood? If you read more, then you will get good points. Got it? Understood? So I will take your one more group discussion. There I want some extraordinary point. Got it? Also you have to focus on your speaking speed and pronunciation. Okay? And grammar. Okay, so thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment. And thanks for watching our video.